Hey creator friends, welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm not going to be doing one, I'm not going to be doing two, I'm going to be doing three Simply Earth unboxing. Why is that? Because I just haven't opened my boxes. I have already got a bunch of stuff and I've just been drawing on them, and I haven't created anything new recently, but now I got to do my unboxings. I've had a couple people ask, like, what happened to doing those? And it's just, I don't know, I just brought them in here and set them on my essential oil table, and when I want something I would come in and grab it, and I didn't need to get into my boxes. But now I got to show you guys what I have. So I have October, November, and December. So I'm excited. I'm going to show you, let me get my scissors so that I can open these, and we'll go through what's in them. And then I'll do some recipes too, because, you know, I love the recipes, and the recipes are awesome. So this is I think this is October. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, look at this. There's going to be ocean blue mica powder. I wonder what we're going to get. So, oh, this is a fun one. I'm gonna tilt you guys down so you can see a little bit more of what's coming out of there. Ooh, so the oils, let's see what we got. Geranium, that's actually one of my favorite oils. I love geranium. And then balsam fir, such a nice one coming into December. A lime, and they always do a proprietary one, which is one of their blends, which are amazing. And this is the Bumps and Boo Boos blend. And let's see. I think we're going to be making some little bath bombs. That's fun. Got yourself a little bottle, spray bottle. We'll have to see what that's for. Citric acid. And the ocean blue mica powder right here. And this is the beauty one, and it has different, these are additional recipes that you can get when you scan these. This one, the free guide to the shower oil, essential oils guide, that's kind of cool. This one is women's wellness. If you scan that, you're going to get recipes. You can print out little actually like this in each box. You're going to get like these little papers, and there will be these scanners, and you can scan them. And then the cool thing is, what you'll do is you get this like a whole booklet of more recipes. So it's just, oh my gosh, it's the best thing ever. And okay, let's see what recipes we got here. What do we got? I'm gonna have to get in here and make these this weekend. This one is Christmas morning shower melts. Yes, I need to make those. Oh, this is November. Is this November? Maybe. Either way. No, I think this is I'm going to have to look. I think I got them out of order. Either way, this is Christmas Vacation Diffuser Blend. I'm going to make those right now. We've got family coming for Christmas. It's going to be great. Breath of Pine Shower Spray. Snowstorm Mini Bath Bombs. I'm excited. Cheerful Giver Roll-On. And Let It Snow Bath Bomb. So this is going to be a cool one. And of course I have to look and see which organization they're supporting with the 13%, because every 13% of everything goes to different organizations that they have vetted and checked for human trafficking, like support things for like victims of human trafficking. So this one is going to go to Exodus Cry. 13% of this month, and you can go to exoduscry.com. It's a human trafficking. They're shifting the culture, changing laws, and reaching out. And so I like that about that. So that's cool. All the supplies you need to make these goodies this month. Got your labels. I want to try the Christmas Day roll-on. I'm excited about that. I am balsam fir and lime. Ooh, so good. Anyway, so here is your labels. So that's cool. I'll make some of those. I'll make some of those probably in the next few days so that we can have them for Christmas. Okay, so there's one down. 2 to go. Here's this other one. This one I think should be October, and then this should be November. And then that one would have been December. Because if I go on their website, it'll tell me what's in each of the boxes for each month, so I'll know for sure. But I know that in November I'm due for my you know, when you start, they give you all the supplies, these little bottles and everything that you need for 6 months. And then on the 7th month, they give you a whole bunch of new ones. So that's what that should be. Okay, what do we got? Oh, I did order some more and of these, the little cleaning tablets that I love to put in my cleaning, when I make my cleaning solutions in the spray bottles. I love their cleaning tablets because they're awesome. So I got those. And then I ordered another Car Essential diffuser. And then this is October's box. October, November, and December I did not do. So I didn't open them. So this box has a reusable hot and cold compress pad. Ooh, those are nice. You can put them, you can warm them, or you can put them in the fridge and put essential oils on them. So good. Ooh, there's a silicone mold. I bet there's going to be a cool thing to make out of that. And the natural lotion base. And see how they give you a little sample? You can try it if you love it. Then you can go buy the bigger containers. So everything's just like to check it out. Bergamot, another one of my favorites. Cajeput. I never can say that. Cajeput. I never can say that word. And this one is Copaiba. I can say that one. And which one is their blend? Oh, Relief. My favorite. I put, like, in a 10 mil roll-on, I will put maybe 8 drops of this in fractionated coconut oil, and I will rub it on, like, right here when I'm knitting or something. This hurts, and you can feel it warm. It is so good. I love that. So this is the Home Remedies box. I'm loving this. Because I honestly have not, I can't tell you when the last time I bought, literally, something, house cleaning products, you know, at the store, proprietary ones. I can't tell you when the last time I bought something is. I make my own. And the funny thing is, people come in, they're like, "Ooh, it smells so nice in here." Because it's not like anything they recognize smell-wise. It's like essential oils and fresh and clean. I love it. Here's your labels. Here is a comfort compress. This is a recipe for that. Ooh, this is going to be the best. Muscle Tamer massage bar. There you go. Sports relief lotion. Oh, good, because I wanted to make a lotion or a balm, you know, like instead of an oil roll-on. So I'm excited about that. So, ooh, that's going to be good. A Home Remedy diffuser blend. Perfect. Happy Feet foot soak. Who doesn't need that? And a Mover Soother roll-on. And then here we have another one of the little handouts. And this will give you the mentholated rub recipe. This is the best. You scan that and it'll give you the recipe for that. And these supplies will have been in previous boxes. Like, you won't have used them all probably if you just made like the recipe once, but you should have those. Soothing Joints and Muscles guide. So there's another one of those full guides. I'm definitely printing that out. And Home Remedies Essential Oil Guide. If I scan that, then you can print that out. I'm excited. So there's that. So that was October. We got October and December. I didn't look to see what month, what organization that month is supporting. But this is what I'm telling you. On this one, every 7th month after you, your initial box, you get, oh, these are cute. After your initial box, you get all your supplies again. You know, your containers that you need. So let's just see. Let's see what's in here. These are super cute. I ordered these. So I'll show you those. There's what they call the big bonus box. Okay. So these are just so cute. Look at this. They're essential oil diffusers. And they're not electric or anything. They're just called what they call a passive diffuser, where you just put the drops on there. Oh, isn't that the cutest thing? I'm excited about that. I'm going to just set one of those in my sewing room and put a little bit of diffuser on that every time I come in here. I have an electric diffuser, but those are cute. All right, here's the big bonus box. This is what I'm telling you. When you first sign up for the monthly kit, you get this box. And then after 6 months, the next box, you'll get another one, because you need these things over the 6-month period of time. So here's the bonus box. You'll get beeswax. You'll get coconut oil. You'll get fractionated coconut oil and almond oil. So you'll get these things, and they do not cost extra. You just get them for every 6 months worth of supplies. And then, because the recipes, in every recipe box, there will be a diffuser blend. So if you make your little diffusers, diffuser blends. You need a little 5 ml bottle, so they give you 6 5 ml bottles for the next 6 months of recipes, and they give you 6 of the 10 ml roll-on bottles. So there will always be a recipe for some sort of a roll-on. So they give you these, and I think that's amazing. Oh, you'll also get beeswax. So they give you these. I think it's amazing because you don't have to go buy supplies to make any of the products. I just think that's the coolest thing ever. Now let's see what's in December's box. No, November's box. Come on, open. There we are. November's box. Ooh. What do we got? We got Focus Blend. That's a good one. Frankincense, cassia, and ylang ylang. Those are the oils that are coming in the November box. And there's this cool tube. And these cool little sticks. And there's a lid that goes on something. Here's a cool little dropper bottle. And then this is the gift giving box. Here's looking for items for gifts. There's an emotional wellness guide that you can print out, a gift giving guide, and it would have all kinds of essential oil gifts. Ooh, I like that idea. And the DIY bath salts. The recipe to make 12 of them is there, so that's cool. And of course, labels. Mini macrame kit came in there too. That's cool. We're going to make a cheerful giver roll-on, winter flower bath salts, holiday spice diffuser blend, and essential oils bottle reed diffuser, and a mini macrame plant hanger. And who are we going this month? Who's getting the 13%? I always like to look. Okay, this one is going to be oh, this is Exodus Cray. Here we go. Still, we're doing the Exodus Cray, and they have different groups, but I like this Exodus Cray. So Simply Earth gives 13% of our profits to organizations that end human trafficking. This month, we're supporting Exodus Cray, an organization that not only focuses on supporting survivors, but fighting commercial forms of sexual exploitation, which is cool. Exodus Cray helps survivors break free from exploitation and individuals break free from exploitive habits that drive the demand for sex trafficking. So very good. I like that my money is going to do something like that. All right, there it is. Now, my next goal is to get in here and make some of these recipes. And I'll do a video for you guys because you need to see how to make these recipes. They're just cool. And if you're interested in this, there's a link below. Use my link, and you get like money off of each box for 6 months. It's kind of a good deal. So if you use my link, you get a special if you sign up for the monthly boxes. It's worth it. It's amazing. And I hope you guys check it out. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.